Textbook 1, Coding Links, Images, and Page Jumps. We're going to pick up where we left off. Our last video ended where we had actually turned these images into links to external websites by wrapping linking code around these images. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create interpage links where the page is long and we don't want to scroll the whole page. We're going to jump down to specific spots in the page. We're going to jump down to Alcatraz, Fisherman's Wharf, Blazing Saddles, and the H2 heading of local travel tips. We're going to do that by using these text links that we have not coded the links into yet. So the first thing we have to do is we have to go to each one of the areas that we want to go to and code a destination ID. Let's go to Sublime Text, our text editor, and do that. So we find where the Alcatraz image is, and in the paragraph tag before that we're going to code the destination ID. So we're going to have ID equals, put your quotes in, and just put the name Alcatraz. Now that we've written this ID, I'm going to copy it so I don't have to code as much and paste that into the paragraph tag before Fisherman's Wharf. And then I just have to change the name of the destination ID to be appropriate. Put Wharf in. And come down to the biking one, the Blazing Saddles, find the paragraph tag and do the same thing. Put an ID of biking in. And we'll do one more. We'll go to the travel tips. We'll go to the H2 tag this time and change the ID name to tips. Now we're going to move back up toward the linking area of the page and create the links to these destination IDs. So here are our links right here, and right before the Alcatraz I'm going to code our first link. Simple A href equals, put your quotes in, and you're going to use a hashtag and then the name of the destination ID, which is Alcatraz. Get your closing bracket in. Then put your closing tag for the link so it only uses the word Alcatraz for the link. These are case sensitive, so be aware of that. You need to use all lowercase just the way you coded the destination IDs. I'm going to copy the code for my next link, paste it there, and change the name of the destination ID to Wharf. Remember, you need to keep the hashtag in the front. Fix the Alcatraz, good. Put your closing tag in for the link. Come to the bike ride and do the same thing here. Paste in some code. Change the destination to biking for that ID. Put your closing A tag in. Do that one more time for the travel tips. Paste in the code, change the destination to hashtag tips, and put your closing tag in. Let's save that and test it in the browser. So we have some links now. Goes to where Fisherman's Wharf is. Blazing Saddles. And that's nice. It saves the user a little bit of scrolling on this view. But if you have the really narrow view of the phone, it saves them a whole lot of scrolling. So it's a really nice usability feature that you can help out with doing links within a page. Last thing we need to do is we have some back to top of the page links. You see back to top right here. You see a back to top down there. So we need to code those where it'll pop the user back up to the top of our page. So we're going to go into our text editor and code those. This is a really simple move. So all we have to do is, for back to top, find the text for the link, paste in an href, but all you have to have is the hashtag. You don't have to have a destination ID, because if you just have the destination hashtag, it's going to automatically take you to the top of the page. So let's put our closing A tag in there. There's another one at the bottom of the page I want to hook up. Scroll to the bottom. Put your closing A tag in. Save it and let's test it. Refresh that. And you see our back to top. Boom, takes us to the top of the page. Let's test the other one we coded just to be safe. But I see that we've missed one. There's one more we missed on the page. Actually, we have two more to code, so there's a back to top and back to top there. Let's go get those. Each one of the areas has one. There's one hiding right there. Put our opening linking tag with the hashtag in and put our closing A in here. And there's another one right there. There's one for biking. We've got that done. We've got the one done for blazing saddles, and there's one for the Alcatraz. Let's get that one. All right, save it and let's check those just to make sure those appear. Refresh. Yep, we see those. Let's test that one. That works. And let's test the last one.